Hey everyone, it's Trish and welcome to my channel, Trish's Healthy Appetite. If you're new to my channel, this is where I post vegan plant-based recipe videos every week, and I post a vlog on Sunday so that you can check out what we've been up to. Today I'm going to show you how to make a double chocolate chip blondie. I realize that these look like brownies, but that's due to the dark coconut sugar that I used in the recipe. This recipe guarantees the best of both worlds in both taste and texture. They have a crispy, crunchy edge and a gooey, chewy center, along with both dark chocolate chips and white chocolate chips, vegan of course. I've been told that these are the best blondies ever, so I hope you enjoy them too. Let's go ahead and take a look at the ingredients. So first you will need organic coconut sugar, all-purpose flour, salt, baking soda, maple syrup, almond butter, vanilla extract, almond extract, ground flax seed or flax meal, and 2 different types of vegan chocolate chips. These are some vegan white chocolate chips that I bought on Amazon. I'll go ahead and put the link to those down in the description box. Lastly, you will need a small baking pan. I'm going to be using an 8x8 square baking pan. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, first let's go ahead and preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we're gonna make the flax egg, and to do this, you're gonna need 3/4 cup of water and 2 tablespoons of flax meal. And put that all together in a cup and mix it up together, and then go ahead and set it aside so that way it sets up really well. In a medium mixing bowl, go ahead and add the flour, baking soda, salt, and coconut sugar, and then mix really well. Set aside the dry mix and then grab yourself a smaller mixing bowl. In that small mixing bowl, go ahead and add the maple syrup, the vanilla and almond extract, the almond butter, and then add in the flax egg. Then go ahead and mix everything together really well using a whisk. Now go ahead and add the wet mix to the dry mix and mix together well. Make sure you have a strong mixing spoon when doing this because the batter is very thick and it's supposed to be thick. You don't want it to be watery. Once the batter has been fully combined, go ahead and add the chocolate chips and mix those in as well. Okay, the batter is ready, so let's go ahead and put the batter in the pan and then get it in the oven. You're gonna bake the blondies for about 30 to 35 minutes. So this is what it's gonna look like while it's baking. It's gonna rise up really high, and that's perfectly fine. That's the way you're gonna want it. Okay, the blondies are done, so let's go ahead and take them out of the oven and place it on a cooling rack. We want these blondies to cool for at least 15 minutes before cutting into them. And I'm also showing you here how the blondies actually drop in the center, and this is how you want it to be. This guarantees your chewy center. It's so good. I'm telling you, you will love these blondies, even if you've never liked blondies before. The 2 different chocolate chips are perfect, but you can definitely keep it down to one type, or even add some crushed walnuts or macadamia nuts to it. I would love to know what you think about this recipe, so leave your comments or questions in the comment section down below. As always, the recipe is in the description box below, and if you try out my recipe, be sure to tag me on Instagram at TrishIsHealthy. Also, if you're new, go ahead and hit that red button below so you can subscribe to my channel. That way you could be the first to check out my new recipes. I upload new recipe videos every week, and I post a new vlog on Sundays so that you can catch a glimpse into our plant-based life. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.